Now let's see this concept of vertex coloring. Now if you have vertices and if you try to label them or color them, that is called as coloring. Now see this, a K coloring of a graph G is a labeling, which means a coloring F from vertices of the graph to a set S, where S is set of labels or colors and that is equal to K, which means if you are going to use K colors to color the graph, then it is called as K coloring, right? In this case you have used 4 colors to color them, right? Now you could have used only single color to color them as well, right? There is no problem. And next we shall see the proper coloring. See this, when I talk about a coloring, you can use the same color to color all the vertices, or you can use 2 colors or 3 colors or 4 colors, that as you wish, but it is not of much importance for us. What is most important thing here is proper coloring. A K coloring is proper if adjacent vertices have different labels, which means if I have vertices in such a way that 2 adjacent vertices don't have the same color, then that is called as proper coloring, and that is very important for us. We have many applications for them, we shall see it, right? So what is the meaning of it? If you look at this graph, take any 2 vertices which are adjacent, both of them will not have the same color. If you see this one and this one are adjacent, now they are having different. This one and this one are adjacent, they are having different color. This one is different, these 2 vertices are adjacent, they are having different color, right? And if you check anything, you are going to see that. Now a graph is a K colorable if it has a proper K coloring. So which means if you are able to color a graph in such a way that no 2 adjacent vertices, no 2 adjacent vertices are having the same color, using only K colors, then such a graph is called as K colorable. For example, in this example, you are able to color all the vertices using the colors in such a way that no 2 vertices adjacent are having the same color, and you have used only 3 colors. That is why this is 3 colorable, right? Now if you try to do it with only 2 colors, you will not be able to do so. The reason is, if you see this triangle, right, all the 3 are adjacent to each other. Therefore if you use 2 colors to 2 of them, then the other one should definitely take a different color, right? So what can we say? This graph in particular is 3 colorable, which means by using 3 colors you will be able to color it, but then it is not 2 colorable, but it is 4 colorable, which means if you are able to color a graph using 3 colors, definitely you will be able to color it using 4 colors, right? Okay, so that is about this coloring. A graph is K colorable if it has a proper K coloring. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.